What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about some more budget wheels. Today's wheels are from a brand called Noahwood. I know some of you have heard of them before, and they have products for very cheap prices, decks, trucks, and wheels, and so on and so forth. These wheels are called the beige 2. Basically Noahwood's Series 2 wheel in the beige colorway. You can find these wheels on Amazon for about $12. And I believe you can also find it for $10 as well. So don't expect these to be the most amazing quality ever. These wheels are listed as being urethane, but if they really are urethane, they're very hard, durometer, close to plastic. They do come with lock nuts. Five to be exact. I think that's a pretty nice touch. Most companies just send you your wheels, a sticker, that's about it. I really like the look and shape of these wheels. They're a classic street shape. They look like real skate wheels. So now it's time for the install. These are budget wheels, so I had to pull out the lube. This is bone speed cream. Basically bearing lube for real skateboards, and it works pretty well for fingerboard bearings as well. Definitely recommend. Some bearings just need a little lube and they'll be good to go. Just because the bearings may be a little bit bad on some wheels doesn't mean the wheels are terrible. It just means they need a little help. Lube is also good for maintaining your bearings. After a while, it's always good to soak them in some alcohol for a few minutes and then lube them up right after they dry. These wheels do squeak, but you have to break them in a bit, so get them a little dirty. Alright, time for a squeak test. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, here's some more angles. I really think they look pretty awesome. They almost look like some Spitfires. So overall, I give them 8.5 out of 10. Peace.